Hello guys, it's Josiah here, back again with another video. Now, in this video, we're going to be going through how to find companies who run Facebook ads. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Josiah. I've been scaling agencies and helping agencies scale. We've worked with over 160 plus agencies, added millions upon millions in revenue. Currently scaling my own consulting company, helping other agency owners implement AI outbound systems to book anywhere between 40, 50, or 100 calls each and every single month. So in this video, we're going to be going into Facebook ads, finding companies who actually run Facebook ads. And the reason why people want to do this is because number one, these types of companies tend to have higher intent. They tend to have a lot of money, right? Because they're already running Facebook ads. They tend to be more sophisticated. You don't have to tell them why Facebook ads is like working, right? Or why Facebook ads is a thing, because they already know it's a thing that they should be invested in. So when it comes to the sales and when it comes to helping them out and showing them the value that you could bring, they're more likely or they're more open to having you run their Facebook ads for them or helping out with Facebook. So let's that be copywriting, or even if you're running something like a settle or closing service where you want to find people that are running ads so you can place closers and setters in the ads that are currently running to help them perform. So there's a lot of ways that you can branch out into this, whether that be copywriting, whether that be closers and setters, whether that be sales training. Finding people who are actively marketing or actively advertising is going to help so much when it comes to just that higher intent lead. Now, in this, I'm going to be walking through a Clay table. Now, if you don't know what Clay is essentially, imagine if Google Sheet and ChatGPT and all these databases had a baby. It'll be Clay. That's the best way I can put it. But Clay is a very, very powerful tool, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And we're going to be using Clay as well as Apify. Apify is just a more of a scraping tool. So it's like a marketplace full of scrapers. I'm going to be using a Facebook ad scraper to then mix them together to find companies who are actively running Facebook ads. But not only that, I'm going to show you how to find exactly what ads they're running, right? So you can then mention that in your outreach as well to mention a few things that are running. Now, this again, it's just a starter basic table. If you wanted to improve on it, you can, but this will give you the foundations to add more prompts or make it a bit more fancy and let your imagination take a whole new different place. Okay, so let's go to the table. So here it is. Now, this table comes into the company name. So first we're going to find the company name. Then we're going to find the Facebook URL. Now, the reason we need Facebook URL because we're running Facebook ads, right? And then we need to find the Facebook company page name and the Facebook transparency URL. Okay, now the transparency URL is essentially what we're going to use to identify the company's ad library, and then we're going to get their page ID. Okay, now all of these is necessary because we need to add this into, let's say, the API Apify actor, so that we can find their Facebook ad library. Okay, so then we're going to go to the page ID. Then we're going to get the page ID out of this, and then we're going to extract also the page ID. These are kind of the two of the same thing, all the extractions of page IDs, and then we're going to get a final library URL, okay? And then we're going to run the Apify actor. We're going to see if they have yet ads, yes or no. We're going to get the title of the ad, and we're going to get the copy of the ads, okay? Now, this again, we're going to be using Apify. Now, in order to use Apify, I'm going to be using this extension called Facebook Ad Scraper. Now, you need to do this. You need to go into Apify, create your own account, go to Facebook Ad Scraper. This again is the link here, Apify/Facebook Ad Scraper. And then what you want to do is you want to run this. You want to run this here. You want to add and then run at the bottom. So you want to start. I'm already done it, but I'm not going to do it again. You want to start. And then you want to come to the table. So make sure you have a test starter, or else it's not going to show up in the table. Okay. So once you've gone to Apify, you've added your account, you showed it up. Then you want to go to edit. I don't think you would see my API key, which is cool. You want to go to edit. Then you want to add in essentially this. This is basically kind of like a kind of a JSON data code that you can add in, and then you want to add the Facebook page name. So you need that, and then you should be all set to go. You can just stop it here and then just add it into it. But basically what this is essentially talking to Apify and say, hey, I want to use this actor and use this scraper and get me that Facebook ads from this scraper. Okay. So you want to make sure you click on Facebook ad scraper as well here. And then once that's done, you should have a table which is ready to go. So all you need here is just the company domain. Okay. So what I've done here is I've done Gymshark. So Gymshark is this one here. Very, very big company. in the UK. I own a few gym stuff as well. So I've added to the table. Now in this table, we're gonna then get the Facebook page URL. We're gonna find it. Then it's gonna be the Facebook page name. Then it's gonna be the ID. Okay. Now it's gonna be running through. It's gonna find the page ID. We then found here. We found one of the ads that they were running, right? Every girl deserves a gym set that's soft, belly, that has a style contouring in all places you want it styled. And then again, the title of the ad is Soft School by Drop. This is fine. Let's check the ads here that they're running. There's a lot of ads. Page URL, active here. Page name, Gymshark. Fantastic. Publisher, countries, publishing platform. Okay, this is good. Page info active. Fantastic. Right. So as you can see, the runner ad, and the ad, they currently have an ad on right now, and that's the ad. I'm just gonna see if I can pull up the ad here. Let me see if I can find it for you on this. Page info. Is it the snapshot here? Body, brand name, product name, shop now, page ID. Okay, page, LinkedIn URL. Okay, come in here, archive type. You just go here and let's just check. Fantastic. All right, cool. So I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come here, click on here, see if I can get title. Title here. So this it is. So this is essentially one. Let's get the URL. Let's see if we can just type in URL. And let's see collections, LinkedIn URL, video, release, link URL, video. Okay, let's go here. Let's go on page transparency and let's see if we can find the ad that they're referring to. Page transparency, CO, see more, and then go to ad library. Let's see if they're running it. Should be on here. Yeah, here. Every girl deserves a gym shirt that's soft, barely subtle, and contouring, saved by this influencer. So again, works really, really well. And now what you can do here, just to give you some more ideas. Let me see if my screen does come. Okay, fantastic. What you can do here, to give you more ideas, is you can just come here and ask ChatGPT to write a script saying, hey, mention this in a nice way. So it could be, hey, saw your ad about every girl deserving a gym shirt that's soft. I really liked it, XYZ. If we were able to create 20 ads like that, if we were able to do XYZ, bring value, would you be open to having a chat? Okay. And this is essentially what it is. And yeah, you can do this to scale. You can do this at scale. It's very, very cheap to run. And you can do this for like, let's say 5,000 companies a week. And if you find 5,000 companies a week that have ad that you can call out, you'll be able to scale so much faster. So this again is a simple table that you can use. And if you want more help building these type of tables in the program right now, where I help all the agency owners, we've got over 20 plus tables in here that pre-built that you can just use, plug and play into your business and start personalizing and scaling. Now we do have all of this in the program. So if you do want help with any of them, just a link below for us to have a chat. But other than that, that's all it from this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.